Ambassadors were present as the public portal was displayed, and they added the votes, and they were convinced that William Ruto won fair and square. The issues you are now raising, the international community has told you off, and you have been exposed. Now you are crying. Oh, these people have abandoned us. For your information, America is the world's largest democracy. It is insulting to the American government for Raila Odinga to ask them to help him undermine democracy in Kenya. It's not possible. As Raila Odinga was running amok in the streets of Nairobi, in Mukuru Kayaba, in Maradaima, President William Ruto and the American ambassador, Meg Whitman, were having a serious conversation with over 200 investors where a deal for 80 billion shillings investment in this country was concluded. You are now asking the American ambassador to abandon discussing investment for the benefit of this country to come and support you in destroying property. It will not happen. We want to urge the international community, please ignore that old man. Now that you know him, much as he had misled you before, now you know him. He's just a man who has gotten whatever he wants through violence and anarchy. And now that he's exposed, that sorts out the matter. Leave him to us. We'll sort out the other issues with him locally here without your involvement. Nikimalizia niseme